Hi there, this is Penelope. This is the final video in a series of short videos covering MG5004 DE5418 Test 2 2020. The last question. Alright, it's talking about a cycloid, it's talking about a function written parametrically. That's all it is, and you've got to find the derivative when theta is 0.62 radians. Make sure your calculator's in radians, otherwise you're going to get this wrong. Alright. So just do the side working over here. Remember, dy by dx is dy by d theta over dx by d theta. So that means we have to find those bits. So dy by d theta would be 2 sine theta. And dx by d theta would be 2 minus 2 cos theta. Now we just need to put those together. So then we have that dy by dx is equal to 2 sine theta over 2, take it out, take the common denominator out. Because then I could cancel if I wanted to. Otherwise, since you are using your calculator, it doesn't really matter. So dy by dx rather is going to be 2 sine 0.62 divided by 2 times 1 minus cos 0.62, and that's approximately 3. Okay. Done. That's the whole test. Look over them all.